The Tesla Model S is one of the most popular cars on the road and now one of the safest, according to officials. But how does the man behind Tesla, Elon Musk, feel about all of this himself? Our own Phil LeBeau is sitting down with him right now, joining us this morning with more. Over to you, Phil.
Kelly, we're here at the end of the Model S assembly line here at the Tesla plant in Fremont. 500 Model S's roll off this line every day. Yesterday, we had a chance to spend about an hour with Elon Musk walking around the factory, talking with him about the challenges he's facing as he raises production of the Model S. And he says they can do it as long as they make sure the supply chain stays intact.
Our big issue is raising production. So we don't want to be complacent about demand, but our issue is not so much demand as it is increasing our pace of production. So for next year, we feel pretty confident that we can raise production by a factor of 2, so that by the end of next year, we're producing somewhere around 40,000 cars a year on an annualized basis.
What's the wait time if I go into your gallery, let's say in the Chicago area, and I place an order for Model S? What's my wait time right now?
I think 4 to 6 weeks is probably the right amount of wait time that's where we're able to run the factory really efficiently.
How often do you get a chance to come out here on the line? Maybe not talk with people, but
actually. My desk is out here.
Where is it at?
We can walk to my desk.
Okay.
Our biggest challenge is ramping up production, and so what's that about? It's about being in the factory and understanding where the issues are. And so I want the very opposite of being up in an ivory tower. I want to be in the middle of the battle. And so that means putting my desk in the middle of the factory. So that's where it is. And then people can come talk to me, and I can easily walk around and kind of see how things are going with the factory. You know, it's not the most comfortable place to be, but a lot of big companies, the CEOs in this ivory tower, or it's like at the top floor of some luxurious building, far away from where the things are being built.
So this is your car, your desk right here?
Yeah.
The one with the Motor Trend Car of the Year?
Yeah, this is my desk right here.
It's a noticeably clean desk with the exception of the award.
This desk is the finest that money can buy at IKEA. So we didn't spare an expense there.
And there you have it. An IKEA desk is what Elon Musk used when he's here on the factory floor working with the team building the Model S. You take a look at shares of Tesla over the last 2 years. It's really been in the last year where the astounding growth has been for shareholders, up almost 400%. Guys, one of the things we talked about with Elon Musk is his commitment to making sure the safety for not only the Model S but future models is as high as possible. They just got the 5-star crash safety rating from NHTSA. We're going to talk next hour about why Elon Musk believes this is crucial as Tesla positions this vehicle in future vehicles for the broader market in terms of winning over customers.
Phil, speaking of those future vehicles, I've heard a lot of interest from people just anecdotally about the Model X. Did you get any hints about when that one might be coming down the line?
End of next year, Kelly, is when we see the Model X go into production. Really starts deliveries late next year, more likely in the beginning of 2015. Remember, that's an SUV. The doors get a lot of attention because they're almost gull wing and they lift straight up, and as a result, people will be able to have easier access to the vehicle. And then go out 3 or 4 years, that's when the third generation, lower priced electric vehicle will be coming out from Tesla. And that's really the one that I think a lot of people on Wall Street are looking at and saying, okay, you clearly have shown that you can make a mass market vehicle as popular with the Model S. We'll watch for the Model X, but it's the third generation that a lot of people, especially investors, that's the one that they're looking for.
And setting the bar pretty high there, Phil, with the Model S. So we'll have to see if the rest can live up to it. Phil LeBeau this morning. Thanks very much, Phil.